How to fix TikTok direct message option not showing. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix TikTok direct message option not showing. So watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to make sure that your TikTok account is a personal account. If you have switched your personal account to the business or pro account, then you might have those kind of limitations of DM not showing. So in order to switch to your personal account, simply launch TikTok app on your device. Sign in to your particular account and go to profile at bottom right corner of the screen. Select three-line icon at top right corner of the screen and select settings and privacy. Select account at top of the screen and then tap switch to personal account if you have turned on your personal account to business account. The second step you need to follow is simply, if you are using an updated version of TikTok, then you won't have any issues. But if you are using an outdated version of TikTok, simply you have to visit the App Store or Google Play Store, and then you need to update your app. Tap on the search icon at bottom right corner and select the search bar at top of the screen. Type in TikTok, and once you have seen the update button, tap on update button and update it to the latest version. The third method and step you need to follow is simply tap and hold TikTok app, select I button to access app info section. Now on the app info, tap storage users. Clear all the cache regarding TikTok. This will help us to resolve this kind of issues on TikTok. And once you have done that, lastly you need to reinstall the app by tapping and holding it and tapping on the trash icon. Tap uninstall and again reinstall from Play Store or App Store. That is how we can easily troubleshoot the direct message option not showing on TikTok. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.